take a path, and we just want the home page, so we're going to give it an empty path. And this is going to make sense in just a second. Then it needs to render some view, and that's going to be our template, and we give it a name. Let's call this index, or like our home page or something like that. Now, when it comes to rendering some view, we need a view to render. We're going to be using class-based views in this course because that's the proper way to write Django, at least in my opinion it is. We can write function-based views, or we can write class-based views. I'm going to teach you the professional way in this course. We're going to use class-based views. Function-based views are easy to learn, but it's easier to learn class-based and then functions rather than functions and then class-based. So this needs to come from somewhere, and we need to create some sort of view. So let's not save this yet, but let's keep this open and let's head on over to views. And you can see that it's already importing Django shortcuts render. We can honestly just ditch that because we're not going to be using a function-based view. We're going to use a class-based view. So we're going to go to, or not go to, but import from Django.views.generic import a simple template view. And then we're going to create a homepage view. So we're going to say class homepage view, and this is going to inherit the template view. And we're going to give it a template name. Template underscore name is equal to home.html. And this is telling Django, look for a file called home.html. And that's all we're going to do. So we're going to save that file now. Let's head back on over to urls.py. And if we do from, because this is in the same folder here, all of these are in the same folder, we can type .views import. And what was that view called? Home page view. And then we can say in here, homepage view as view. And this is going to render our logic for us. It's going to make our view actually work. Now, this is all well and good, but you've probably noticed that Django hasn't really been restarting lately. So let's go ahead and open up our mysiteurls.py and add a new URL pattern.